Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing great. And today's topic is database mirroring, which I think is one of the top 5 features in Fabric. Now, before going into what is database mirroring, what are the prerequisites, and how we can implement it, let me remind you, I do have a Facebook as well as a Telegram channel, which you can find in the video description below. You can consider joining them so that we can discuss and learn as a team, as a community. Uh, so let's come to our today's topic, which is very simple. Uh, what is database mirroring? So actually, if you want to refer to an external database and replicate the data in a real time into Fabric, this is the go-to feature. So right now, there are only 3 types of databases that is supported in Fabric, which are Cosmos DB, Azure SQL DB. Remember, it's not on-prem SQL DB, and at the Snowflake, which I will be using for today's demo. So in a very simple language, if some changes are happening in your database and you are replicating those particular changes in a real time, you should be using this feature. Uh, okay, so what are the prerequisites? It's a feature which is not generally available right now. It's public preview, so you need to enable it from your tenant settings. Once you enable it, you will be able to see those 3 databases which I just referred previously into the data warehousing experience in Fabric. Okay, so what will be the first step for this demo? You can create a demo account in Snowflake if you want to just explore this option. So let me dive into the demo now. Okay, so if you can see, this is the Snowflake account which you can create on a trial basis for 30 days. So once you are provisioned with a trial account, you can create a database and a schema and a table, and we will connect this particular table into Fabric using database mirroring and see whatever the data that we are inserting or maybe deleting from it, if that is getting reflected or not. Okay, so if you can see now in my screen, I have created a database called POC, within which I have a schema called mirror, and within that I have a table called cells. And if I just query in the real time, okay, so these are the 3 records that you can see. I have inserted these 3 records. Right now they are not present in Fabric. So let me go into Fabric now. So here you see, so these are the 3 in the data warehouse experience. You will be able to see these 3 databases. So for my demo, I will be taking Snowflake. Let me give it a name, Snowflake mirror testing or test. Let me now create this particular connection. So now you will see that this is a new connection it's showing up, and you need to create that particular new connection. So let me do that and show how to create. So the first thing that you need to give out here is a server. So once you come to your Snowflake account and you come to your account details, and you will see uh, this one. So there is, you have to copy this account URL, and then you have to give it in your Fabric server details. But there is one important thing: you don't need to give this HTTPS here. Okay, and now what is a warehouse? If you come to your Snowflake account, I hope I am able to show you. 1 minute. So here you see, right, there is one compute underscore WH, that is compute warehouse. This is the warehouse that we will be using. So let me just give, this is the default one, by the way. So now this is the compute underscore warehouse, and then I need to just give a name. uh, Let me give a name to it. Okay, underscore connection archon. This is the Snowflake, and let me just give my credential. Hopefully this is suffice and I would be able to connect to my Snowflake account. Okay, yeah, I think I am getting connected. So it's loading the databases from this particular Snowflake connection. It will take some time. Okay, you see, right? Yeah, there are two data. Snowflake is the default one that comes with it, and POC is the one which I created. I'm just selecting the POC one, and I'm connecting to this database. So now this is the one important option. Here you can mirror all the tables at one go, or else you can selectively uh, choose particular tables which you want to replicate. So right now, I would recommend don't go for this mirror all data, because one important thing is that though we are referring to an external database and we might be thinking that we are not copying the data, it's not that. So since the data is coming to OneLake, it is getting converted into Delta format, and there is a egress cost to it. It's not free. We are maybe we might be thinking that since we are just referring to the other database, we are not actually copying the data. There is no cost in copying that particular data, but that is not the case. Like, since this particular data is coming into OneLake, and also you can leverage the direct lake connection with your reports or the semantic models, uh, uh, that means the data is within your OneLake as a delta format tables. So now I'm just selecting the table that I created, which is the cells one, and now it's loading the preview. So what are the records we would be able to see, hopefully. Okay, yeah, here you see, right, that there are three records that I am able to see. Okay, so now let me delete one of the record. Okay, let me delete this record from here. Okay, there is an error. Okay, it's not cells, it's cell ID. Okay, I have deleted one record, and let me now just make a select statement. Yeah, the cell ID 1 has been deleted. So now here, if I just mirror the database now, it should be showing me that particular records being deleted, and only two records should be there. Okay, a mirrored Snowflake is running right now. Let's explore the options that we are having. So there is a configured like we if we go into this configure mirroring, then now if we select this particular table, it should give us the preview with only two records. It's taking some time. Okay, okay, so the preview is getting loaded. Let us now check. Okay, now you see, right, that cell ID 1 has been deleted. Similarly, whatever, if you want to insert or modify any records, it also get mirrored in a real time. So that's it. It's a very simple feature, yet there is a lot of engineering work that the Fabric team has done. But to make the life of the analytics engineers and BI engineers uh, much simpler, because right now you can refer this particular mirrored databases into your data warehouse, and you can do one cross database joins. Second, you can use this particular data as a direct leg connection in your semantic reports. So with all that particular things, I think I can end the demo right here. Uh, Let me come back with some more updates and more exciting videos. Till then, take care. Bye.